Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Valorant stuck on loading screen easy and quick. First solution is click here and you have to delete some folders, go to run and then type appdata, go to local and then scroll down until you find the Valorant folder, right click on it and click delete, and do the same thing with Riot Games. You will find here Valorant folder and delete it. And after that we have to look for Valorant file location, and here it is, Riot Games, and you will find Valorant file location. Go to live and here you will find these two folders, right click on it and delete it. Now after that, this is the first solution, just now try to launch it, and if that doesn't fix your problem, second one is you have to check for your PC performance, and if you aren't sure that the problem isn't from your performance, just boost your performance by going to view advanced system settings, and then you will find here performance, click settings, and you will find this option here, adjust for best performance. Click on it, and I prefer to enable these three options, and then you can just let all of them off and click apply and OK. And now let's move to the second one, background apps. Turn off this one, and you'll find it like that, just turn it off. And here go to system configuration, and now you have to be careful. Go to services, click hide all Microsoft services. Now you have to turn off the options that you don't need, and you have to make sure to not turn off something like Google or Nvidia. So just turn off the applications or services from the applications that you don't need, and of course you have to make sure that VGC is on, and that's it. Then just click OK, and now just restart your computer, and after starting your computer just try to launch it again. And there is also one other thing, go to graphics settings and then go to browse. Now you have to go for Riot Games folder. You will find here Valorant, live, and then shooter game, binaries, Win64, and you will find here Valorant Win64 shipping. This is Valorant application, so just add it and then scroll down. You will find it here, click options and choose high performance graphics card, and then save it. I hope that can help you to fix your problem, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.